Welcome back to Gadget for Gentlemen. This is a new unboxing of a new watch that we have for ladies this time. So this is the Limit watches for ladies. This is a brand created in 1912. So how you can see, it's a lovely watch for ladies. So what I'm going to do is to tell you my review about this watch and what I think about it. So first of all, we are going to look at the box. So what you have inside the box, obviously the watch, but also a notice for the bracelets and a 2 years guarantee notice as well. So here is the box. It's very simple, black but also gold sculpture. That is very elegant. So moving out to the watch now. So this is the watch. As you can see, this is a lady style, very elegant, gold plated. The color and the straps can fit any wrist, I guess. So with this watch, you can see that you have like a white dial. And let me turn the watch. So let me show you the back of the watch. So here you can see that the brand is British Limit 1912, but it's also made in China, as you can see. This is a stainless steel and it works on the battery. So I will put it on my wrist and tell you what I think about it when I put it. So here is the watch. You can see that the numbers are very readable. It's very clear to see from far, and the sculpture is very elegant as well, and the strap is very comfortable and it can fit any wrists thanks to this strap. So overall, what I can see about this watch is this is very elegant, and the price also makes it very affordable, only 30 euros approximately. So this is a good watch for the price. And overall, as I told you, this watch is very comfortable, very elegant and very affordable. So I think for this price you can't go wrong. If you like the video, please press the like button and subscribe to the channel, and I will put every description in the description box so you can have any information about the watch. Thank you again for watching and see you soon.